question is fourth question. Using the digits 7, 6, 8, 9, 4, 3, 5 only once, write the largest and smallest 7-digit number. We have to use these digits only once. We have to use this digit only once and write the numbers. 7-digit numbers. Write the 7-digit numbers which is largest and also the smallest one. So now the largest number. First of all, write the given digits. Given digits. Given digits are 7, 6, 8, 9, 4, 3 and 5. 7, 6, 8, 9, 4, 3 and 5. These are the given digits. And now coming to largest number. Largest number. Before writing largest number, arrange these numbers in descending order. Arrange these numbers in descending order. What is the largest number among these 7 digits? Among these 7 digits, the largest number is 9. And next number is 8. Next 6, 7, 9 greater than 8, 8 greater than 7, 7 greater than 5, 5 greater than 4, 4 greater than 3. These are the 7 digits. These are the 7 digits given, and this is the descending order of these 7 digits. Now among these 9 is the largest number. So write 9 first. For largest number, write the largest number among these numbers. Now 9, and next is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. This is the largest number, 7-digit number, by using these 7 digits. This is the largest number. For smallest number, arrange these digits in ascending order. Arrange these digits in ascending order. What is the smallest number among these 3 digits? Among these 7 digits, 3 is the smallest number among these 7 digits. And the next smaller number is 4. 3 less than 4 and 4 less than 5. 5 less than 6. 6 less than 7. 7 less than 8 and 8 less than 9. This is the ascending order of these 7 digits, and write the smallest number. This is the order of the number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is the smallest number by using these 7 digits. Okay children, and the next question. Okay children, and the next question is write the place values of the following. Write the place values. Place values means the value of the number at that place. For example, I take 545 and the place value of 4 is 40. Place value of 4 is 40 because it is in the tens place. Because it is in the tens place, we have to multiply with that place value. In that place, the place value is 10, so 4 into 10 is equal to 40. It is the place value of the 4. Now going to exercise problems. First problem is 4 place in it is the first problem. 4th place in 7, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. This is the number 7, 3, 4, 6 and 8, 9. First of all, write the place values of each number. It is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, and it is lakhs place. And 7 is lakhs place. Now the number is 4, so 4 is here, 4 is here, so we have to multiply 4 with that place value. The place value of 4 is 1000, because it is in the thousands place, so we have to take 1000 and multiply with 1000. We get if you multiply 4 with 1000, we get 4000. 4000 is the place value of 4 in 734689. And next question, 16. This is the next question given. 16 40 lakhs 70,000 and 632. 48 lakhs 70,632. 6 value in 6 place value. So first of all we have to write the number here, 4870,632. Write the place value of each number. It is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place. Now what is the number we have to find the place value? 6. 6 is here. What is the place value of 6? 100. 6 into multiply with 100, we get an answer. 600 is the place value of 6 in 48 lakhs 70,632. Another problem. Okay, next question is 9th place in 9th place value. 9th place value in 79 lakhs 54,635. Now write the number 79 lakhs 54,635. This is the number given. Write the place values of each number. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place. Now multiply 9 with that place value. What is the place value? In which place lakhs 9 present? In lakhs place. So multiply with lakhs. We get 9 lakhs. This is the place value. Okay children, and the next question is write the number names of the following according to Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Here the numbers are given. We have to write the numbers in word form by using Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Before going to start, once recall these two charts. In Indian place value chart, the order of the places is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, crores, 10 crores, and 100 crores. In coming to international place value system, the order is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. After 10,000s place, we have 100,000s place, 100,000s place, millions place, millions, 10 millions. After 10 millions, we have 100 millions, and after 100 millions, billions are coming. 100,000s means 1 lakh. 100,000s means 1 lakh. Millions means 10 lakhs. Millions means 10 lakhs and 10 millions means 1 crore. 1 crore. So this is the order of the international place value chart. Now going to start exercise. Okay, this is the first problem. First of all, write this number in a word form by using international place value chart. And this is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, and lakhs place. So start with lakhs. We have how many lakhs? We have 7 lakhs. So 7 lakhs. 35. This is the place value of 3 is 30,000 and place value of 5 is 5,000. Now add these two. 35,000. 35,000. 35,000 and 894. Same number, 77 lakhs 35,894 in international place value chart. Here the place values are ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, and 7 is 100,000s. 100,000. So start with 7. 7 place value is 7 into 100,000, 700,000. So 7 and 3 is 10,000s. 10,000s means 30,000. And 5 is thousands place. So 5,000. Add these 3. 700 and 35,000 895. 895. This is the word form in international place value chart. Okay, children, I will give homework problems to you. Okay, children, do these problems for homework. Write the number names of the following according to Indian place value system and international place value system. You have to write this number for these two charts. This number also for these two charts. And place values of 5 and 6 in these two numbers. Okay, children, bye.